Hello and welcome to this episode of FinlayTV. Today we're going to talk about tipping grids on our 6 series incline screens. So William, can you tell us in essence what exactly is a tipping grid and what is it used for?
Yeah. So a tipping grid is basically essentially a reject grid. Okay, so anything that's oversized material or unwanted material that you want in the feed, or that oversized heavy material, it will reject it essentially due to its angle. Okay, it's this particular machine. It's a 4-inch aperture. So anything underneath that 4-inch will go down through the bars due to gravity. It also can be used as a protection for the feeder as well, so stops that heavy material slapping onto the actual feeder belt as well.
Good. And so obviously in your hand here you've got the remote of the tipping grid. So in essence, can the operator basically have this in their cabin of their loading equipment and do this remotely?
Yeah, so they would have this wireless remote, and that would be able to allow them to do that cycle off that tipping grid. Okay, so whenever the material gets stuck in between the bars, they'll be able to do their cycle remotely via their dump truck or their excavator and get rid of that reject material that's maybe got stuck in between the bars, so to allow more efficient machine operating.
And is it a twofold then? Obviously if this is in the cabin of the loading equipment, obviously as you know, things can die, batteries can die. Mm-hmm. They can come to the machine then and do it manually as well? Yeah.
As you said, batteries can dissipate and then you'd have to go in. Sometimes we don't have access to these whenever we're out in a quarry. So yeah, we can do it manually as well, so we don't have to use the wireless remote.
Thanks very much, Willie. Could you basically show us now then how and much we would do that?
Brilliant, no problem. So you would just simply press this button here, and then you'll have the LED coming up onto the remote, and that will allow the cycle to happen. And if you want to stop it, you'll press the other side of the remote, and that will allow it to stop during its cycle. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this episode on tipping grids. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to FinlayTV.